Who's the hero in your life? My hero is my father. He had $2,000 left in his pocket, an entire family to support when he first came to the United States. That's when I was 10 years old. Watching my family rebuild and the struggles they went through is the reason why I'm passionate about what I do every day. Sequence of return is one of the most important elements in the distribution phase of retirement, and it is the one thing that's always overlooked. Let me show you in this webinar why two brothers retiring with the same amount of money, taking the same withdrawal, where one 10 years later runs out of money and the other one is completely successful. Learn how to stabilize sequence of return during your retirement so you'll end up successful as well. Tax planning is another important component on the distribution phase. The moment you retire, you have different buckets of money, and how you take money from each of these buckets will determine how much taxes you will pay. I will show you during this webinar two case studies having the same buckets in their plan, plus the same amount of Social Security, and see why one paid $137 in federal taxes at the end of the year, and the other case paid $9,400. Join me and learn the secrets of what truly tax planning means in the distribution phase of retirement. Learn how Social Security optimization could add thousands of dollars to your retirement during your distribution phase. Turning on Social Security at the right time could mean adding so much more to your net worth than you realize. And it is not always about turning it on the latest. After doing thousands of different formulas, I have found for everyone it is completely different. So join me on this webinar and learn why the distribution phase of retirement is one of the most important phases of a financial plan. How you do anything is going to determine your success, meaning all the pieces of the puzzle have to fit in together. And that's what I'm going to show you during this webinar.